Burton gang, we in the building, we in the building, we in the building, gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton, gang, Burton, gang, we in the building, we never going down, climbing our way back to the crown. I'm doing like some little leg quarters, so I'm gonna put my meat skin side down. Okay, now I put my meat skin side down. Ow. On the skin side down so it can get brown, like how you just saw. Right? I took it out some leg quarters and I got a thigh and leg together and another thigh and leg and another thigh and leg. So I'm gonna let this sizzle till it get a little brown on now, and then I'm gonna come back and put a little seasoning on top. Okay, now I'm gonna put 3 seasonings in my chicken, my 3-leg quarter. I'm gonna put some garlic. I love garlic. And black pepper. I love black pepper. And this is poultry seasoning. Now, this poultry seasoning is good. So yeah, that's the 3 stuff that I'm gonna put in my meat on top of it. Okay, now I'm gonna start with my garlic first. You don't gotta put too much. Okay. Then my poultry season. You want your meat to bleed like that. You do not want to cook raw food. And then the black pepper. Now, in just a minute, I will show y'all my special trick to get all the grease out. Be right back. Now, my special trick is to poke the meat. Like, just poke it. You don't gotta go crazy with it. Just give it some pokes. This might not be that ready to poke yet. It'll come out like juice like that. Yeah, it's not ready to poke just yet. So I'm going to cover it back up and let it finish cooking. Okay, now let's check it out. Oh, wow. Okay. I'm ready to flip that one. Look, you see how easy that poked? That's when it's ready to get poked. Okay. Now, on this side, you can do some pokes. You see the grease coming out? We don't like that much seasoning over here at all, because it's not good for your health. So, I'm not feeding that to my husband, all that damn seasoning. So, in order for me not to feed that to him, I poke it. I poke it when I'm doing this kind. There's way other kinds that I do our chicken. See how easy that poked? Went straight through. That's how you know it's ready to poke. Okay, so I'm going to cover it back up. I don't think I'm going to put seasoning on top. Nah, I'm going to just leave it like that. No more seasoning. know what? Y'all see the difference between me cooking and my baby? He get it out the way. We flipping it over one more time.
Really back here.
Burton gang, we in the building. We in the building. We in the building. Gang, 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 gang. When I say Burton, y'all say gang. Burton, gang, Burton, gang. We in the building. We never going down. Climbing our way back to the crown.